morning, be seated please. Court calls case 16-3561 SD, People of the State of Michigan versus Christine Maxbauer.
Good morning.
Good morning. Could we have appearances, please?
Your Honor, Chris Cook appearing on behalf of defendant Christine Maxbauer.
Joseph Hubble, Lelong County Prosecutor. I'm appearing in this matter on assignment from the Michigan Attorney General's Office.
Right, and I am Judge Van Alts from the 84th District Court by SCAO assignment due to a disqualification. We're here today for an arraignment for Ms. Maxbauer. Ms. Maxbauer, what is your current address?
503 West 8th Street, Traverse City, Michigan, 49684.
And your date of birth?
August 21st, 1953.
I have a complaint that alleges that on or about July 7, 2016 in Traverse City, Grand Traverse County, Michigan, the charge is operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and or a fine of $100 to $500 and or 360 hours of community service, rehabilitative programs. Vehicle immobilization is mandatory if you have a prior conviction. The cost of prosecution, reimbursement to the government for emergency response, and expenses for prosecuting you. Do you understand the charges and the possible penalties?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you read and sign this advice of rights today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
You have the right to be represented by an attorney. Mr. Cook, I don't see an appearance in the file.
I sent my appearance to Leland to the clericals there, so
All
it must
right.
have made its way back.
And I know there's some issue with different people handling this, but could you file one here?
Certainly.
Because it's not in the file yet. Mr. Cook, how does your client plead?
Your Honor, my client would stand mute this morning to the charges.
Right, we will enter a not guilty plea and schedule this matter for a pretrial. I believe we have some dates.
We do, Your Honor. The next pretrial date will be August 11th at 9 a.m.
Your Honor, I'm scheduled to be out of the state the 11th through the 14th to visit my son down in Baton Rouge.
Okay, Mr. Cook, because I have to work with the judge's calendar, and she would have to be here for any kind of a plea, and if it's okay with you, Your Honor, I'm going to need to call your office. Maybe we could I'll be in touch with Mr. Cook for a date that works, and with you, Your Honor, if that would work, since he can't do it from here.
That would work.
Yeah, thank
We'll
you.
have to clear the dates with both of our calendars.
Yeah, and I'll
appreciate
be in touch. And Mr. Hubble, I'll call you as well. Okay.
Very good. I'm sure one of us from my office can be available whenever necessary.
Okay.
Mr. Hubble, any comment on Ms. Maxbauer's continued release under her conditions?
No, Your Honor, we just asked that the bond conditions can be continued. Thank you.
Mr. Cook, anything related to bond?
We requested to continue as well, yes.
Right. Bond will be continued, Ms. Maxbauer, with the same conditions. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else today, counsel?
I have nothing, Your Honor.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. That's all.
Have a nice rest of your morning.